If you're having trouble verifying your identity on Steam, follow these steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you navigate the verification process effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Make sure to check the email associated with your Steam account for any verification messages. Look for emails from Steam that may contain verification codes or instructions. Step 2. Use the Steam mobile app. Open the Steam mobile app on your smartphone. If you have the app installed, you can use it to receive a verification code directly, which may help bypass issues with email verification. Step 3. Verify your phone number. Ensure that your phone number is linked to a Steam account. If it isn't, add your phone number in the account settings. This can help with receiving verification codes via SMS. Step 4. Contact Steam support. Before starting recovery, use the isra.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Wait for a response. After contacting support, be patient and wait for a response. Steam support may take some time to get back to you, so keep an eye on your email for their reply. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your identity verification issues on Steam. If problems persist, consider checking community forums for additional advice.